Noise of Rumors, and we're musicians. We started in, I'm going to assume, like around October of 2012.
We draw our inspiration from all sorts of places. I, for instance, grew up listening to a lot of Dave Grohl and Chad Smith. I love the Smashing Pumpkins, Dinosaur Jr. But our guitarist, bassist, singer, we all have different backgrounds, but they all kind of come together in this band, and it kind of works out. Our biggest goal is probably to just be able to make a living out of this and play music, make people happy, and if people don't like it, that's okay. But hopefully, we'll appeal to a mass.
Yeah, we just want to do this for a living, and just this be it. Basically, this is our dream, and we're all striving for the same thing. There's a lot of different meanings behind at least the EP, this EP that we did. But my main inspiration for those specific songs were kids being bullied, because it's been a big issue as of recent. I've dealt with it in my past, so it was easy for me to write about something like that. So I wanted to write something that some other kid can kind of read the lyrics and then kind of be like, oh yeah, like I'm going through that, and maybe hopefully help them through that, because there was a lot of bands in my past that helped me get through those hard times as well. We're presenting awesome energy, great music, like Danny said. You gotta just check us out,
We're presenting the culmination of a year and a half of hard work and finding the right personnel and just finding the proper balance of chemistry between four musicians, and that's just it's not an easy thing. People that aren't necessarily in bands might not understand that, but it's a family, and it takes commitment, it takes hard work, and it takes trust in knowing that everyone's on the same wavelength. So yeah, we're just trying to show people that hard work pays off and can have fun with it.
I think the Raw events, it's a really awesome way to bring artists from all different backgrounds together to present their work. And so you've got photographers, artists, dancers, us as musicians, and it's it's just kind of a great way just to bring all these people together, so you can experience different formats and different genres of material, really. And that's what makes this event so great, I think. I'm Ryan, I play bass.
I'm Sin, I play rhythm guitar, and I'm the lead singer.
I'm Danny, and I'm the lead guitarist.
I'm Joey, and I'm the drummer.
And we are Noise of Rumors, and we are raw artists.